Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to unlock Trade Harbor in Cookie Run Kingdom. Start by upgrading your cookie castle to level 6. You can do this by gathering enough construction materials and coins through kingdom quests, daily rewards, and regular gameplay. Next, expand your kingdom toward the shoreline near the curved grassy area. You'll find the toucan stuck on the ground. Talk to him to begin the quest line that unlocks the Seaside Market, also called as the trading port. Talk to Touc to begin. Give Touc 5 hot jelly stew crafted in your production buildings, and construct the trading port using 8 diggy shovel, 3 Aurora pillar, and 3 Aurora brick. Using the trading port, purchase any 3 items from the trading port to complete this step. Once you complete the Seaside Market quests and upgrade your cookie castle to level 8, a new quest line will begin automatically leading to Touc Trade Harbor. Expand your kingdom until all areas around the Trade Harbor are unlocked and focus on your expansion toward the shoreline. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Hello